What's the meaning of barbell? Barbell. Barbell.
Barbell. Barbell. A barbell is a piece of strength training equipment that consists of a long bar with weighted plates attached to each end. The barbell is used for a variety of exercises such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows, among others. The term barbell derives from the bar's resemblance to an old-fashioned balancing scale, with the weights on each end representing the two pans. The use of a barbell in strength training is considered one of the most effective ways to build overall full-body strength, increase muscle mass, and improve overall fitness. Barbell training can also help increase bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis.